Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Studying English with Seema Saini. I'm Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. Today we will discuss
Questions Chapter Reach for the Top Class-9th Beehive book. If you have missed detailed summary of this chapter, then you can go back and check it out.
So stay with me till then. Let's start.
First of all, textual questions. Question 1. Why was the holy man who gave Santosh's mother his blessings surprised? Answer. In those days, the birth of a daughter was, though not considered a curse, was not welcome. The holy man was surprised when he saw that the family wanted a daughter, not a son. Next question, question 2. Give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. Answer. The other girls in the village wore traditional Indian dresses, but Santosh loved to wear shorts. She found nothing wrong in it. Now next question, question 3. Why was Santosh sent to the local school? Answer. It was the family custom in those days. Girls were not sent away from home. Question 4. When did she leave home for Delhi and why? Answer. She left home when she was 16. She had completed her studies in the village school and wanted to join a school in Delhi. Now next question, question 5. Why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for her schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? Answer. Santosh's parents had refused to pay for her education in Delhi. Santosh told her parents politely that she would do part-time work to pay her school fees. At this, the parents agreed to pay for her schooling. This incident shows that Santosh was a girl of iron determination. Question 6. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? Answer. Santosh had joined Maharani College in Jaipur. She was living in Kasturba hostel. This hostel faced the Aravalli hills. Once Santosh met some mountaineers there. They encouraged her to take to climbing. Santosh saved some money. She joined a course at Uttarkasi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. After doing this course, Santosh went on a climbing expedition every year. Question 7. What incidents during the Everest Expedition show Santosh's concern for her teammates? Answer. One of the climbers lay dying at the South Pole. Santosh gave him special care. She did all she could. Unfortunately, she could not save him. There was another climber named Mohan Singh. He too would have died, but Santosh saved him by sharing her oxygen with him. Next question, question 8. What shows Santosh's concern for the environment? Answer. Santosh has great concern for the environment. Once, she collected 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. She brought it down to save the beauty of the Himalayas. Next question, question number 9. How does Santosh describe her feelings at the summit of Everest? Answer. She felt herself on the top of the world. It was for her a spiritual moment. She unfurled the Indian flag. She held it aloft. She felt proud as an Indian. Next question, question 10. Santosh Yadav got into the record books both times. She conquered Mount Everest. What were the reasons for this? Answer. The first time, she was the youngest woman to conquer Mount Everest. The second time, she was the only woman to do it twice. Next question, question number 11. Write in brief a character sketch of Santosh Yadav. This is most important question. Answer. Santosh was born in a small village of Haryana. Even in her childhood, she loved to live in her own way. Her parents sent her to the village school. When she was 16, her parents wanted to have her married, but Santosh firmly refused to marry. She said she would never marry if she was not given proper education. She went to Delhi and joined a school. Then she joined Maharani College in Jaipur. She decided to become a mountaineer in her life. She worked very hard for it. She became the first woman to conquer Mount Everest twice. She always helped her teammates. Everyone liked her for it. She was awarded the Padma Shri for her achievements. She is also a true environmentalist. Next question, question number 12. Why was Maria sent to the United States? Answer. She was sent to train herself in tennis. Next question, question 13. Why didn't Maria's mother go with her? Answer. She couldn't go because of visa restrictions. Question 14. What are Maria's hobbies? What does she like? Answer. Her hobbies are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes pancakes, chocolates, and fizzy orange drinks. Question 15. What motivates Maria to keep going? Answer. It is her desire to remain number one in the world. Next question, question number 16. Draw a comparison between Maria Sharapova and Santosh Yadav. Answer. Both Maria and Santosh started their life's journey as little girls. They worked very hard in their life. Both of them were girls of iron determination. They sacrificed all comforts and pleasures of life to achieve their aim. Both of them were able to realize their dreams. They reached the top of the world. Maria became number one in the world of tennis. Santosh became the first woman to conquer Mount Everest twice. Their lives prove that nothing is impossible for one who has strong determination and works hard to reach his or her goal.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए. Till then, bye. Take care.